Just 3 ingredients and it's much better than market versions. In a pan, I added 2 packets of grated coconut. Then I added 385 grams of condensed milk, now 400 grams of cream. And guys, just turn on the heat at medium temperature and we'll mix it all very well until it reaches our ideal consistency. As soon as it thickens, just turn off the heat, we'll take it and move it to a dish. After spreading it so that everything is even, now at the top we will decorate with a little grated coconut. We just put it in the fridge and leave it until it freezes. And look guys, this dish is amazing. It's amazing, super quick, easy and delicious, and the best part is it's made using just 3 ingredients. Make it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. Look just how it looks, super beautiful and creamy. And I hope you liked it. This was another recipe from me in the kitchen. Here's a big hug until next time and thank you.